So you have an iPhone that is currently locked to the owner and you're getting this message, which can be very annoying. Or perhaps you forgot the Apple ID of your own account and you're locked out. I'm going to show you how to get back access to your device so that you are able to use it again. Now this will work for any generation from the first all the way to the latest iPhone. So in order to do that, we will have to get the IMEI number. Simply tap on the I icon here and you will see that the IMEI number will show up in the screen. We will use this number to unlock this device. The IMEI number is also located behind the box or in the SIM card tray. Alright, so the next step is to go to the internet. Here we will unlock the phone. So we're gonna have to fill in all the information about the phone we're unlocking here. And then you have to enter here your IMEI number. This is very, very important. Make sure you enter it here 100% correct. If there's a mistake here, this method will not work. The last step is to enter your email where you want to be notified once your iPhone has been unlocked successfully. And now you just have to wait until they send you your email saying that your iPhone has been unlocked. So I'm going to show you how the email will look like after you receive it. So we're going to go to my personal email account. You will receive a confirmation email that will look something like this. In this email, you will see that the iCloud has been successfully unlocked and it will include instructions on what to do next. So if you have received this email, stay with me as I'm going to show you how to finish the process. But if you haven't received this email, I would recommend that you save it for later so you can come back and finalize this process by yourself. So after you receive the email that your iPhone has been successfully unlocked, we're going to restart the iPhone. So press and hold the power off button and the volume up key and slide to power off. Now we will restart it and power it on again. Once the iPhone is on, you will still see this message, but don't worry, proceed again. Just set up the initial settings, hit English, select your region, you can continue, make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi, continue with the setup, let's proceed, continue. You will see that your iPhone will ask for a new iCloud ID in order to sign in, but we can skip this for now. Skip, we're gonna skip everything for now. And now we're ready to use the iPhone again. And now our iPhone has been successfully unlocked and we will be able to access the device without any issue. And we have full access to the device again. Just to verify it, we will go to the settings and you can see and verify that the iPhone doesn't have any account linked to this device. You can see here that it's asking me for a new iCloud ID. And that's it. The iPhone has now been successfully unlocked and now we can use it permanently without any issue. I hope that this video helped you get your iPhone unlocked. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.